Implantable devices module. The details of the devices that have been implanted into the patient can be recorded here. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list and click on the New Health Record and navigate to the Implantable Devices module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Implantable Device. Click on the Add icon and enter the UDI, Unique Device Identifier number, of the device which was implanted to the patient here. Once entered, click on Verify to have the detailed description of the device which was implanted. Here you can specify the implant date from the calendar. Here you can specify whether the device is active. Here you can add relevant notes to the device if required and click on Save to save the details. Before completing the health record, if the user wants to delete or edit any of the information, click on the already saved information. Click on the trash icon to delete the information. To edit, make the required changes and click on Save to save the updates made. Multiple implantable device information can be saved for the same health record. You can navigate to a new health record and this data will be visible in the new EHR and in all future health records for this patient until updated as inactive. To change status, click on the previously saved information to confirm if the device status is inactive. Once updated, the details will be moved to the Inactive Devices folder. You can view the details by clicking on the ellipsis icon and selecting the Inactive Devices option from the drop-down. Clicking on the Add icon will also enable you to easily import the information into the module again. You can also click on the data to update the required changes.